You're about to see a collection of sewing and upcycle ideas, but this isn't just about what they look like. Because once you start paying attention, you realize something interesting. These ideas aren't really about fabric or thread. They're about what happens when creativity meets everyday materials. And most people completely miss that part. Before we get into it, I want you to know something while you're watching. There's a Pinterest board linked in the description with all the ideas from this video, so if anything inspires you, you can save it and come back later. And I want to make this interactive too. You can vote in the comments for the idea that stands out to you the most, and if this video reaches 100 votes, I may recreate the most popular one in my own style. So don't just watch, pay attention to what actually pulls you in. Because at first glance, this might look like just sewing ideas or simple upcycling projects, but if you slow down for a second, you start to notice something deeper. These aren't just things people made. These are examples of what happens when someone decides to create instead of discard. Most of these ideas start from something ordinary: old fabric, unused clothing, leftover scraps, things most people overlook. But in the hands of someone creative, they become something completely different. And this is where the shift happens, because it stops being about the final product and starts being about the way you think while watching it. You stop asking, "What is that?" and start asking, "What could I turn that into?" And that one question changes everything. Real quick, if this is giving you ideas, go ahead and like and subscribe, because this channel is all about turning simple materials into something you can actually use. Creativity isn't something you wait for. It's something you practice. And the more you see ideas like this, the easier it becomes to recognize potential in your own space, in your closet, in your scraps, in things you already own. Over time, you stop seeing things as finished and start seeing them as possibilities. And again, there's a Pinterest board linked in the description, so you can revisit these ideas anytime. Don't forget to vote in the comments, and if we reach 100 votes, I may recreate the most popular one.